where my fruitarian homie said. Actually, stop that shit right now. But this series goes out to Mr. Base Science, my former self, my younger, maybe Mr. Base Science 7-8 years ago, when I got my first ideas, the dreams about the Costa Rican jungle living. Because at that time, some of you might know, I was a vegan. I was basically retarded. And I was checking out all these fruitarians, vegans, coming to the tropical places like Costa Rica. I gotta say, the fruits in Costa Rica seem the best, as well as probably Hawaii. Thailand probably has a good fruit also. But that's when I really started to get this idea on my mind. Damn, I need to go to Costa Rica, that place seems pretty cool. And they have all these sweet, natural fruits, the ultimate food for human beings. Oh, how wrong was I? I was such a smooth brainer, and I did a lot of damage with those bullshit ass beliefs to myself. But anyway, now we are at the Costa Rica, and guess what? When you are at the Costa Rica, you can eat the Costa Rican foods and fruits, because they are Costa Rican fruits. I'm in the environment that the papaya is in, and the lemon. So we start this tropical fruit review adventure that's dedicated to my former self. I gotta be honest, I haven't had much of a sweet tooth here yet. I had one papaya yet. It was kinda meh. But I wanted to start with papayas because they are in season right now. They are very cheap. They're like dirt cheap. They look very ripe. And today we're gonna also do double trouble, papaya and lemons. Look at that. These are the first ripe. No, this is not lemon. They call it lemon here, but these are limes. This is the first ripe lime I have ever seen. Okay, I saw these in the store a couple days ago already, but for you guys, for the dramatic effect, these are the first ripe limes. And limes is natural fruit. You can find limes in the jungle. Lemons, that's man-made garbage, hybridized fruits. So always go with the limes. And I have to say, like, these limes are the bomb. I've had them for a couple days for some of my meals. Little lime on the avocado, little lime on the water. These limes are 11 out of 10. But why we combining these two is because the traditional way to eat papaya here, I have been told, is to put some of that lime juice on the papaya. And that's supposed to be a bomb combination or whatever. So we're gonna try that one. Okay, I'm gonna open these bad boys up and see you guys then. Look at that, movie magic. This papaya looks really good. This one looks better than the one I had before. Look at how ripe it is. It smells good. It smells real good. And these limes, they are next level, guys. These limes are very, very good. Anyway, papayas, I would say. I have never had papayas ripe like this. But I would say papayas can be real disgusting, real meh. And then they can be actually pretty damn good as well, to my taste buds. This one looks very good papaya. Let's taste it. Only the papaya, OG papaya first. Okay. This is better one. Better papaya than the first one I had. I love the first taste. Like when you put it in the mouth. I love that taste. The aftertaste. Slightly off for me. But I would say it's like 7 out of 10. Let's do some of the lemon lime action over there. So let's see, can we enhance the papaya with this little lemon action? But it is a nice papaya if you like papayas. Lemon, lime. Why do I say lemon all the time? Okay, that actually, the lime kinda takes the aftertaste away. That's weird. And the papaya tastes more sweet with the lemon on it. So, I guess these guys know what they are doing over here. Surprisingly good. I would say 7.5 out of 10. It ain't no raw chicken, but it is pretty good. But like I said, I've been craving more that fat meat because it's just superior form of nutrition for human beings. Let's be honest. Now everybody knows Costa Rica is known for some of those hippies, yoga people, new age vegetarians and vegans. You definitely see some of that here. And those people are the unhealthiest people I've seen here. Maybe some locals as well, who drink all day or whatever. They look also kinda unhealthy. But I've seen some of those people that collagen has left the party. They look real wrinkly, real undernourished. So Costa Rica is known for that. Now they can handle they look way better than some of those vegans you see in the cities. They at least got some tan and they live in the best environment this earth has to offer, so they can last longer on their little new age spiritual namaste motherfucker vegan journeys. But they don't have that robustness. They don't have that vitality. Oh, look at that. There's a freaking parrot over here. That's Costa Rica for you. 2 freaking parrots. Just chilling. They want papaya as well. Let's give these guys a little bit. You can have lemon. But this is Costa Rica for you. You ain't gonna see that shit anywhere else. Except some other tropical places. But man, that was cool. That was real cool. That's been my whole time here. I'm just like, look at there. Oh, that's real cool. Then look at that. That's real cool. Then taste some of the food. Oh, that's real good. It's really easy to be happy in a good environment. Yeah, papaya, it's okay. Little bit weird. After this, what up, dude? You want rest of this papaya? You can have rest of the papaya. I'll give it to you. Look at that. That's for you. That's for you, dog. Oops. You can have it, guys. Go get it. Go get it. Those parrots made this review 10 out of 10. Base science, another base science banger. A classic. So yeah, that's the first tropical fruit review. We're gonna do this pretty much. What up? You don't like that papaya, huh? I already gave you enough. We're gonna do this whenever I get some good fruits. And there's a lot of good fruits for very cheap. So, we're probably gonna try a lot of them, just for fun. So we don't always eat some weird ass raw meat, which is actually not weird. It's the most normal food for human beings. But anyway, change it up a little bit. We're probably gonna eat some parrots as well. Yeah, be careful, I'm not coming for your ass. You guys know it, I got a taste for wild birds. You guys know that. And these guys have way more meat than some of those Finnish wild birds I caught. So be careful. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.